In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Xiaomi. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and download this free app from Flartool Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!